Alright, so today I am unboxing the ReMarkable paper tablet. This is the ReMarkable 2. Comes in a really nice package. It's a really cool diagram on the back. It's even got like a little raised surface to give it like a really good premium feel. I got this on their website. It took a while to get to me. It took almost like 10 days to get to me, but hopefully it's worth it. Also comes with the marker, and this is the plus. So this one enables you to erase on the tablet. It's pretty cool. Overall, the quality feels really nice. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I'll pull open this tab here in the bottom. Right here. Take the sleeve off. And yeah, right away, you just kind of get a feel of the weight of this product. And I think early on I thought it might have been like a pretty light product. It wouldn't feel substantial, but yeah, this already feels pretty good. So lift the tab here, and yeah, you got this, nice little cover like a vellum to protect the product. I think this is the USB cable for charging. Yep. And got a nice little instruction book here. Right. Overall, feels really premium. Let's take the instruction manual out. Congratulations on your new ReMarkable. Nice. Okay. So next, let's get to the actual product itself. Yeah, this feels good. Feels heavy. Alright, so I guess I can't be too gentle with this, can I? I think it's up here. We can hopefully keep the wrapping together. Oh, I guess not. I think they could have made this a little easier. So this is it. Hold the power button to get started. We've designed the ReMarkable to not get in your brain's way, to help you think. Pretty cool. Nice ReMarkable logo on the back. The back is nice, It's plasticky, but it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. And yeah, overall, like I said, it just feels like it's substantial. So I'm gonna hold the button down to get started. Now, if only I can find the power button. So the power button, I think, is up over here, and it's like super hard to see. But I found it, at least. But I mean, like, it's really hidden. So I'm gonna hold the power button down, see what happens. And looks like it's starting. Pretty cool. I like that it comes pre-charged, because I've been waiting for 10 days for this thing. So it would kind of suck to have to wait to get it charged. Alright, it's loading. Pretty nice. Express yourself, write, sketch, or scribble below. Okay, let's try this out. I'll try the pen here. So I'm going to grab the pen here. I'm going to open up this. I have to say, they didn't really do this well. I know they're trying to do the whole Apple thing, you know, tear this thing open to open the box, but I don't like the mess it's creating. But I guess since it's made of paper, I think, so it's not as clean when you rip it. Open this up. Now the pen does not require batteries, which is really cool. So I can just start using this right away. I'll never have to worry about charging it. Let's see. Whoa, pretty cool. Look, that is pretty sick. Feels really good. Like, I am not a tablet user, and I've never owned a product like this, so I don't have a lot of experiences to compare this with, but just as a first-time user experience, this is pretty fabulous. It just feels pretty natural. Your screen is unique. Canvas display creates a true paper experience. Every now and then your display will refresh itself. Let's see what it looks like. Refresh. It's pretty cool. You can connect to the Wi-Fi and all that. I think we can skip this, right? Skip. I recommend connecting to Wi-Fi, blah, blah, blah. I'll connect later. Are you left or right? Well, actually, I'm ambidextrous, but for the sake of this video, I'll just say that I am right-handed. You did it. It's ready to go. I mean, that was a pretty quick and seamless setup. So I feel like I got to the aha moment pretty quickly. Overall, like, this is pretty simple. I like this menu. The text is pretty easy to read, and I don't have the best eyes, so this is nice. These on the bottom are a little hard to read. I think this is batteries, Wi-Fi, and cloud. But I'm in the garage. I got some weird lighting going on, so maybe it's my fault, but it does seem a little hard to read over here. So there you have it. This is the unboxing of the ReMarkable 2. So far, it looks pretty remarkable to me. I hope you enjoyed this video.